So right, left and center. So hello friends, this video is all about unboxing, implementation and a review of a very good product by Novatronix, which is nothing but a plug and play hazard lights for my Kawasaki Ninja 300. Yes, you can see the price of the product, and this is not the actual price. Sometimes you get a discount. You can check the link in the description below. Let's open the box and quickly check what do we get inside. Okay, so you get in the box a device by Novatronix with 2 sockets, which is nothing but a hazard light plug and play. Yes, you can see the name written over there, plug and play Novatronix. These are the sockets, the male and female, and the other end is the earth wire. You will see it into the implementation part of this video. What else we get in the box? So they also provide you with 4 LED bulbs, which you can actually implement on your bike if your bike is not having a bright LEDs, so you can use them. And in the box you also get zip ties to tie your wires. That's it in the box, nothing else much. Let's quickly go to the implementation, unscrew my bike and implement it. So first we have to unscrew this, and we have unbolt here, then we have here, and after that there are 2 more. If you can come this side, yeah, one is here and another one is here. So let's unscrew them. Okay, finally the bike fairing is completely removed, and now I will show you. That's my niece. It's her hand showing her mehndi. She likes mehndi too much. Okay, so let's come back to the implementation. Yes, so here you see, after removing the fairing, the main line having the direct connection with your handlebars and from the battery, and these are the two sockets which you have seen during the unboxing as well. So these are going to be placed between this black socket and the other part of this, which has the female part of it, or maybe I think the male part of it here. So let's try to quickly insert it between the two like this. So you need to connect the male and the female of the device and the main line, and likewise the other end should connect to the other female and the male of it. So at the end what you see is there was the main line which was connected to the handlebar, wherein it was giving the signals to your indicators. So you just remove those socket and and after that you connect the device in between them, and what it does is nothing but it just controls your turn signals with a switch. And the other end here left over is nothing but your earth, so it needs an earth. So I am just connecting it to the body of the bike so that this acts as an earth. So let's quickly check and test whether it really works. So let's see. What you need to do is to make this switch right and left and then press and the center. The moment you do that, you see, yes, it works. So both the turn indicators are working, even the back one is also working. So thumbs up. So the implementation is done, and let's quickly tighten all the nuts, and after that let's quickly fix the fairing and make the bike ready. Okay guys, so आज मैंने hazard light का installation complete किया in the morning. You can see it's already night. Now I will show you the demo how it really works. Come. Okay, so I have put the ignition already, and you see that it's neutral already, and there are no indicator lights which are running. So how do we turn these indicators on? Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you need to press right, then left and center. So I did it little slow, let me do it little fast. Okay, so right, left and center. So this is the secret pattern or what you say, but you need to learn it like this. They have designed it, these Novatronix people, they have designed it like this. So you have to say right, then left and then press center to activate the hazard lights. You see this is already blinking, right? Let me give a demo from the front. Okay, and from the back as well. Yeah, these are LEDs. These are glowing little brighter than the front ones. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so before that, there are actually different patterns which you can select. For that, what you need to do, since we have activated it already, so you just either can travel right or you can travel left. So forward you can go or backward you can go. So when you want to go forward, so what do? You just have to say right and center. So you see the pattern has changed. Now the blinking is a little bit faster. आप देख सकते हैं from the front as well. See, it is blinking fast. Pattern is different, same way from the front and the back as well. Yeah. All right. So let's check out the next pattern. How do you go forward? Again, right, center. You see, this is again blinking a little bit even more faster. See, from the front and the back as well. Yeah. All right, so it has actually, I have not even counted it really, to be frank, but I need to show you some more patterns so that you understand. This is a very nice, the device which allow you to not stick to one single pattern of blinking on a single frequency, but it has multiple frequency as you go forward. So let me show you the other one, forward and center. See, you can see and compare the blinking from here itself. Yeah, let me show you the other one, forward and center. This is another one, some more, yeah, and more. See, so this pattern is like once it is blinking this side, another one blinking this side. Yeah. Likewise, you can go backward as well. So how do you go back? So this side is forward towards right, back is left. So you need to press left and center. See, it's going back, left and center. It's changing the patterns, right? Again, left and center. Yeah, some more, left, center. See, we are back to the highest frequency. Again, it goes a little bit slower from here if I go backward, right? So left, center, a little bit slower, then left, center, again the slower. This is the slowest one. Yeah, so you can choose on the way, on the go, whichever you want. I really like this feature of this Novatronix. And we have these patterns, but apart from that, how we would like to know how to turn this off. Yeah. So it's pretty simple. Suppose you are in hazard on the highway and you want to turn it off. So for that, what you need to do, you just have to activate your indicators and then just press center, but with a delay. So how do you do that? You can press either right or left to activate your indicators. Yeah, but do not press immediately center, yeah, or any other button. Just wait whether the indicators are blinking and then press the center so that it deactivates the hazard lights. So let me give you the demo. How do you do that? So let me show you with the right side first. So I activate my right indicator first. See, my right indicator is blinking. So I have deactivated already at this time my hazard, but now if I want to switch it off, it's a traditional way how you do it. Simple, just press center. No, one sec, enter and center. You have to do it immediate. Not very immediate, but just try it and then you'll come to know. So let me open it again and turn it off one more time. So right, left, center activates the hazard, and if you want to turn it off, just say activate left side and just press center to deactivate it. You see, nothing is blinking out.
Alright, so this was the demo. Hope you liked it, and the device is really nice and I give it a thumbs up. Guys, go ahead. As of now it is available for my Ninja 300 in the website. I will put the website name and the link into the description. Please check it out. When I checked it, it was available for Royal Enfield 350 and for Ninja 300 as well. Okay, so alright, so hope you like the demo. Hope you like my bike too. This is my love. I like it a lot, and hope you are also liking the color. I have recently made this into white color. It was a blue color originally. You guys can check into the description and check out my channel. You will come to know the original color of it and how I really got it done in Jaipur by Regal Customs. Okay, so this was it about this video. I wanted to basically show you how this Novatronix work and how, yeah, but one more thing, you have to be very patient about the delivery of the product. You would have seen in the beginning of the video the product actually and the installation already, but yeah, at the end the product is really nice. When you wait for it and when you like it, then nothing except about that. So you like it, yeah. Alright then, thanks, and like my video and subscribe. Bye bye.